like them. Jamming on the beat. It serves me out and doing like them.
Okay guys, today we're doing Unclaimed Mail, and look at this huge box. This is my hand on it. And I have my grandson here with me today, so if it gets a little loud, we're sorry because, you know.
Yep, we're sorry.
Alright, you gotta back up now. Because I gotta open this box. Why? The thing you've been wanting to do for 3 hours.
I am turning it up.
No, you need to leave it alone. Well, come on. Somebody's stealing his jammies, but he wants to do this, so. Got it now?
Mm-hmm.
I think we're both in the screen now. Okay. So, I'm going to give you one you can open. You open this one.
Wow, what is this?
I don't know. I don't know what any of this is. And this looks like a Shein bag. No, it's Shaper Mint. Oh, this is expensive. And he's going to open that one.
Because it's funny. It's cool. It's inside.
Ooh.
Ooh.
And this gets $10 free.
How do I get this thing open?
Well, you open everything else with your teeth. And this is a t-shirt bra with lift.
Wow.
Let's see what size it is. It's 2XL. I don't know if it'll fit me or not. We'll see.
Where is it? Where is it?
Did you find it? Your turn now.
Where is it? Where is it?
What is it?
It's
Let me make sure it's something you...
It's screws.
It screws? What's this?
And
And this is a thing for your car. USB port for your car. Charger and port for your car.
and
There's a bar light. What is this? Oh, these are connectors for your batteries. Yep. Those. That was. Well, just wait. That was a dud for you. Try this one. And I'll do this one.
This one. There might be a toy inside.
Okay. Through all this chaos, I forgot. You gotta wait. Through all this chaos, I forgot to tell you, I got this Fundelivered. It's got 22 to 25 pieces of mail in it. And it cost me $203, and that was with shipping. They ship UPS, so it does come straight to my door. Yay. Okay, now Dan's going to unlock this one, because we're hoping we'll get him a toy.
What? What's inside?
I don't know, what is it?
What? A ghost.
Fingernails.
What?
Let's see how many different fingernails we got. There might be something else in here, too.
Oh.
Let's see what that is.
Come on.
Oh, it's rings.
What? I am not a ghost.
No, well, we don't know because we don't. This is just stuff that couldn't get delivered. Look at these nails. These nails I will never wear, but I will put them in my store because I don't wear nails that big. I didn't have nails on today because, as you can see, it's chaos in my house. Now just wait.
I don't wait this.
Just wait. Well, then you want to go in the other room while I do it?
No, because there might be a toy in.
Well, if there's a toy, I will holler at you and let you have it. And these are all a bunch of rings, which I suppose I could put for $1 in my store. Now, this is probably another, like a bra or something, so that's why I took it. Because I need, it might be, it could be a squishy. I don't know what this is. Hold on, let me see. I still don't know.
Wait,
Hold on, let's just see what it says. It says something on it. I don't know what it says. Oops, sorry, I didn't mean to hit you. This is going to be the most chaotic on my whole show ever. Oh, this is a damn it doll. When your day is full of stress and your workload's a mess, here's a little damn it head. Oh, I see there's his mouth. It's a damn it doll. So there's a toy. It says it's not a toy, but you can have it.
But I don't want to have it. It's called a damn it head.
Well, just don't tell your dad it's called a damn it doll. You do this one, I'll do this one.
Okay.
Okay.
I need to put my stuff here.
I'm probably only going to do half this for this video and half for the next one. Because obviously this is total chaos with this kid.
This is getting great.
And this is Halloween hat pins. There's that one. That one.
What?
That one.
Blue wings! More wings!
That one.
Are you kidding me? I don't need these.
And that one. And he's not real happy. He got a bunch of earrings. Well, what do you want, Dan? I'm sorry.
Toy.
Well, just wait. Try this one. It's a big one. Maybe it's a toy.
Wait, no, it's fluffy.
Maybe it's a stuffed animal.
Maybe.
I don't know what it is. We have to just open them and find out.
Oh, it's a pillow. A bad pillow.
It's a pillow?
Yeah, look.
Well, look what I got.
What is it?
I got a size medium. And this is a shirt. Now look how fancy.
Oh. Ooh.
Did you figure out what it is yet?
Don't know, but it's a pillow.
I promise the next ones will not be like this because I will not do it with him in the house again. But I had no choice.
Grandma, I need help.
You need help, all right, but I don't think I'm quite qualified. Here. Oh, no. It's not. I don't think it's a toy. I think it's a coat. I think it's a coat. This is a shirt, and it's a medium. And it's V-neck, and I have no idea if it has sleeves because I'm not going to be able to tell because he's not. Stop. You got to calm down, buddy. Here, I'm going to tell you what. Get your hands back. Because I want to give you a head start there. There, now you can pull it there. See what that is.
Okay.
There, you can start. See if that's a toy.
A box?
Yeah, it's a box. Sometimes toys come in boxes.
Toys come in boxes?
Sometimes they do. Here's another box. Oops. And this is your card for Fundelivered. So, yes, this is total chaos, and I'm aware, and I'm really sorry. See what this one is. You still can't get it open? I thought it gave me a head start, but I don't know what this is either. I don't even know if this is. Hold on. Let's see. I think this might be a toy.
Yes, it is.
I think it's a toy.
It's a toy.
It's a Funko toy. Wait a minute. I can't get it out. I'm trying, Dan. And this is who we got. Dr. Ian Malcolm, whoever the hell that is. I mean, whoever the heck that is.
Wow.
See, I knew you'd probably get a toy. Now, I don't know what these are.
It's from Dino Ranch.
It's from Dino Ranch?
Yeah, see?
Oh, Jurassic Park, yeah.
Jurassic Park. This is Jurassic Park. Now that's another toy for me.
All right, you gotta wait. Now these, they appear to all be the same. And there is,
Grandma.
this is what it says on it. This is not a watermelon. And there seems to be 5 of them exactly the same.
Grandma.
What?
I think there's gonna be another toy.
There might be, but you gotta be patient.
I want a box.
You want a box? Here's a box.
Box is it?
Okay.
I open it a lot.
Yeah, you did good on that one.
Yeah. Pretty great. So I'm going to need some cutting right here.
No, I think it just pulls open. Right here.
No.
Right here. See where it just pull this? You know how to pull it up?
Yes. See, what is that?
I believe this is a Christmas swag, which is a little late. Yeah, I'm gonna pull it. You know, it needs, of course it needs fluff and stuff, but I'll just put that in.
Open it.
Did you open it? No, do it this way. This way. This end. Oh, it's a cup.
Yay! That's
What's it? It says Hocus Pocus on it.
Hocus Pocus. It's a Halloween cup.
All right, now I'm gonna stop this right here.
It's a Halloween
Just
cup.
stop for a minute, okay? Because I'm going to stop this. Okay, guys. I'm only going to do half of it this video, and then I'll do the other half next week. So, you'll have... So, come on back and look for that one. Like, subscribe, do the YouTube thing. Tell them like, subscribe.
Like, subscribe.